what I find curious is to understand these kiosks. They are often seen as replacers of people. Is this something that is actually true? I mean, can you kind of cut in terms or not find the people that you would need in order to take all of the orders, and that you now can replace by a machine? Is this something that is really true, or is this a myth?
Well, of course, always when new things come, it has in that way, of course, it will reduce the time spent on the cashier, so to speak. But then also we have to remember that other things has also come kind of on the kitchen side. So I wouldn't say for us, it has not reduced the manpower, because there has been increased on the other side, so to speak, tasks. So what has come more has been like food safety things has come more because of COVID, and so one more things has to be done. So more tasks is kind of coming on that side, and so it has more like shifted, and somebody also has to take care of our self kiosks.
Yeah, of course.
They don't operate on themselves there, so I would say it's hard to. There is not a yes or no, because if we didn't have those, maybe we should hire then also more, because more tasks has come. But that's how evolution goes. That something is less, something is more.